Hi guys, welcome in fxghani trading lending plus YouTube channel. So in this video we will do forex weekly analysis. So first pair is euro USD, and here you can see in a daily time frame price recently break a very strong support level, and also you can see this is our order block and price also closed below from our order block area. So it's mean in euro USD we are looking for a sell, and this is our target, which is a recent support level. So in any case, if prices go upward, try to do a retest on this resistance level, then you can enter a sell trade and your SL is above from this high. Okay, so it's almost like you can say 200 pips trade in a euro USD. And then we have let me remove this one, and now we are looking for a, it's the same thing in JBP USD. We are looking for a sell. Why? Because dollar is a strong currency right now. Let me show you one thing here. You can see prices going downward with a higher low, high and then lower high and then lower high, and prices break a support level with a bearish momentum. So it's mean JBP USD will go downward. Next pair is New Zealand USD. You can see New Zealand USD also break a low, but New Zealand it's actually a little bit stronger currency as compared to JBP and Euro, because right now you can see it's at a support level. Okay, it's at a support level, even though it's almost break, but it stay at a low level. So it's mean we will just wait. If prices break this level, then we will enter a sell, otherwise not. Otherwise we are looking for a buy in New Zealand USD. And also my recommendation is just wait. If prices touch this level and make any bullish candlestick pattern at this level, then you can enter a buy. Otherwise, if prices break this thing, then we are looking for a sell trade, and this is our target in a daily time frame. It's almost, let me calculate how many pips. If prices break this thing, it's almost 300 pips trade. Okay, so just wait in New Zealand USD because it's going downward with a very slow momentum. It shows little bit bullish momentum. So just wait. If prices break a low, then we are looking for a sell, otherwise not. So let me draw arrow. We are looking for sell below from this support level, otherwise just wait and see. Next is AUD USD. AUD USD is also at a support level. It's also at a support level. So, but the thing is in AUD USD, see, AUD USD is a little bit aggressive as compared to New Zealand USD. So I think just wait for a break of this support level, then you can enter a sell. Otherwise, like you can see, wait a minute. Okay, so in AUD USD you can see whenever prices touch a support level, okay, and if prices touch a support level with the bearish candle and next bullish candle, we see a next bullish candle, and next bullish candle break a previous bullish candle high, then prices go upward. So same like here you can see we have a bearish candle. Just wait for a bullish candle, and when a next bullish candle break a previous candle bullish candle high, then you can enter a buy, otherwise not. Okay, so it's an impulsive entry. So it's a perfect example of a impulsive entry. Okay, and we are waiting for a same structure here. But in any case, if prices not make any bullish candle stick here and break this support level downward, then you can enter a sell trade, and your target is like first target is this one, this support level. Okay, so but the thing is like in AUD in New Zealand, like a daily average movement is a very less as compared to Euro and JBP. So my recommendation is go for a Euro and JBP pairs. Okay, Next is first of all let me draw arrows so you can clearly see this one is our setup. Next is USD JPY. Here what we draw, so we give a signal in a VIP group for a sell and it's almost 80. Why? Because it's a divergence. Okay, so now just remove this one, remove our drawing. Daily time frame, prices break 152 level, which is a Bank of Japan level. Okay, so still it's upward, and we will only looking for a buy in USD JPY until price above from 152 level. Okay, because you can clearly see low, higher low and higher low, so prices break a resistance level with the higher lows momentum. So it's been like, I think my first target is 160 level. Okay, in a USD JPY for a long term. Okay, so where is our setup? Long position, and here we go 160, and your SL for this trade in USD JPY is a recent low, like 150 is your SL. Okay, because prices break a resistance level and now it's going upward in USD JPY. Next is USD CHF. USD CHF is also bullish. Why? Because it's a daily time frame, and let me show you how it's a bullish. You can see prices break our trend line, and it's mean it will go upward in a daily time frame, because in a daily time frame whenever prices close above from any trend line or close below from any trend line, then it's mean it's a very strong setup. So whenever prices break a trend line, then our first target is when trend line form like a first high, which is this one, and our SL is little bit below from a low. So this is our overall setup for USD CHF. Okay, in any case, in daily time frame, if prices go downward and touch a trend line again, then you can enter a buy trade again. But in any case, if prices close below from a trend line, then never ever think about a sell. Okay, overall it's a bullish, but if prices go downward and close below, then don't enter any sell trade. Why? Because it's a war situation and USD currency is a little bit stronger as compared to a CHF. Next is USD CAD. Okay, USD CAD. Overall this one is also buy. Let me show you. It's a inverse head and shoulder pattern, but we are just waiting for break of this resistance level. Okay, if prices break a resistance level, then it will go upward, otherwise not. Otherwise sell is recommended from I don't think so, sell from this resistance level, even though you can see it's a very strong resistance level, but the thing is, just see a momentum how prices go upward and touch this resistance level. Okay, so just see a approaching sense of market, how prices approach a resistance level. So a high low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, and then we have a bullish Marubozu candle. So with this momentum, if prices touch this level, then there is a higher probability that prices will break a resistance level. Okay, and prices already do this thing, like you can see here we have also inverse head and shoulder pattern. This one is a shoulder, this one is a head, this one is a shoulder, and then prices break a resistance level and then go upward. So again we have a same pattern, so we are waiting for a another breakout. Okay, so actually it's a it's a accumulation, and this one is a reaccumulation here, so we are only looking for a buy. And what is our TP? TP is this high, and you already know how we calculate a TP according to inverse head and shoulder. Just drag and drop, and here you can see. Okay, so it's a, like you can say, a weekly time frame, but overall it's a strong signal for a buy. Let me calculate how many pips we earn if prices go in our favor. Almost 700 pips. Okay, and then at last we have a gold. Gold, I already post a signal in a trading view. Like we are looking for a little bit correction, deeper correction, but in any case, like we have a war still on, then prices will go upward from a current price. Otherwise, like if we have a little bit like slow momentum in a war situation, then we may see a deeper correction. Okay, and also I already post gold correlation with the secret pair, which is our smart money pair. I already teach you in a previous live stream, so that's why we are looking for a little bit sell. But overall long term, you can enter a buy trade in a gold. Okay, due to risk of sentiment. So that's all our analysis. Thanks a lot for watching our video. Goodbye.